Today I'm going to share my review and a step-by-step guide on how to create a new account with TopOne Trader, a prop firm that offers funded trading challenges. If you're looking to trade with allocated capital, here's exactly how to get started. Step 1. Select your funded challenge. Head over to the TopOne Trader website and click Start Now. From there, choose the funded account challenge that best matches your trading style, strategy, and capital goals. Step 2. Enter billing details and platform choice. Fill out the billing form with your email, full name, residential address, and phone number. You'll also need to select your preferred trading platform, whether it's MetaTrader 5 or CTrader. Step 3. Complete KYC verification. After you've successfully passed the evaluation phases, log in to your client dashboard to complete the KYC process. This involves uploading a valid photo ID, passport or driver's license, proof of address like a utility bill or bank statement from the last 90 days, a selfie for identity confirmation. Step 4. Receive your account details. Once your account is created and verified, you'll get a welcome email. This will include your login credentials, allocated capital details, and trader portal access. The portal also outlines important risk management rules and program guidelines you'll need to follow. Final thoughts. Opening a TopOne Trader account is straightforward, but remember success depends on passing the challenge and sticking to their trading rules. Be sure you're comfortable with their evaluation process and always trade responsibly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.